Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I will be taking you through the Smartcash website. So first, Smartcash is a community, governance, cooperation and growth focused blockchain based on currency and a decentralized economy. SmartHive. Smartcash is pursuing a very development and is constantly improving. Do you have a talent that could help? Join us on our community Discord and find ways to contribute. What is Smartcash? SmartHive, SmartWood and Instapaint. We strive to allow the community to control the fate of the coin, the governance, the budget, usage, and encourage community development. Community-driven growth and funding. The Smart Cash mining concept. Community governance via blockchain, a system where every Smart Cash holder has a voice powered by the blockchain. What sets Smart Cash apart? It is fast and inclusive. Join the Smart Cash community. You can check out their social media on forums, Telegram, Reddit, Twitter, Steam, Instagram, Gab, Discord, Facebook, and YouTube. Smartcash 2018 Roadmap. So I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment down below. You can also go and check out the We Use Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin.